สวัสดีค่ะ everyone Monday new recipe I'm Nin. Welcome to my Thai cooking channel. Today I will show you guys how to cook Moo Manao. Moo means pork, Manao means lamb. Of course there is not only two ingredients in this dish. Actually this menu is tender and juicy pork meat with fresh lamb juice and chili dressing. Also served with fresh vegetables. But before we start, I would like to tell you about my Passion Page website. In there, you have a lot of great bonus content such as the written recipe of each video on my channel, a yummy Thai cookbook, or even live cooking class with me. And it's the best way to support the channel. Alright, are you ready to cook? Let's go! First, we will marinate the pork meat. What we need is soy sauce, cornstarch, and a little bit of water. For this recipe, pork meat is the main ingredient. So the part that I will recommend you is pork shoulder or pork butt. Why? Because on this part, there is some fat on the meat and that will make it very juicy and very tasty. See? In the meat, there is some fat and that is the best part. And what we have to prepare the meat is slice it, not too thick and not too thin either. Now we are going to marinate it. Soy sauce, cornstarch, some water. Mix it well and we will leave it about 10 to 15 minutes to let the meat absorb all the sauce. That will make the meat become juicy and very tasty. During that time, we are going to prepare the dressing. As always, if you know me, I like to peel the garlic by smash it in the mortar. And if you are new here, yes, this is a good trick. Remember it, very easy to peel the garlic this way. As you can see, very easy, right? After we peel all the garlic, we are going to add cilantro root. Then pound until it's fine. Once we have a pounded garlic like this, we are going to add chili according to your taste. If you don't like much spicy, 1 or 2 is enough. Then pound it well. I have a trick for you when you use a mortar and pestle to make a paste. When you pound it, you use your hand to block it like this because when you pound the chili, it can splash everywhere, right? But if you block it with your hand like this, at least you're sure that it will not attack your eyes. But check it time to time that your paste is well enough or still have some little chunks of chili, garlic, something like that. Next, we are going to add palm sugar into the mortar. How to mix. Then add fish sauce. Last, we will add fresh lamb juice. And for those lamb, I got it from my garden. We are going to cut lambs into wedges. Thai style cut. This is the way Thai people cut lamb. And remove the middle one here. So you have 3 pieces of lamb. This way is very easy to squeeze by hand. Now squeeze lamb for juice. Smells so good. Yeah, it's fresh lamb, so I love it. We will stir to mix. And then we will taste a little bit to know that we need more sweet, spicy or salty or not. Oh, for me spicy, sweet and sour is enough. I think I need more salty. My taste, I need more fish sauce. Thai people love fish sauce, so add more. Yeah. Perfect. And now our dressing is done. Next we are going to prepare the pork meat. Before we are going to boil the pork meat, we need to prepare a bowl of water on the side and also a strainer. I will tell you why we need this during we are cooking. Alright, so now we are going to boiling water on high heat. We will wait until it's bubbling, and then we will add the pork meat. Once the water is hot, we are going to add the strainer inside of the pan and then add the pork meat in the strainer. Like this, when it's cooked, we can remove it immediately because we don't want our pork meat become too cooked or overcooked. And now our pork meat is cooked. We are going to directly put in regular water to stop it from cooking and to remove some mushy from cornstarch as well. Almost done. Now we are just going to prepare the vegetables to eat with Moo Manao. And also I already prepared some vegetables on the side such as fresh cucumber and fresh carrot. But what I will need more is fresh cilantro and also fresh salad leaves. Normally this recipe will serve with Chinese broccoli, but I don't like that, so I change to something else. So you too, you can change to any vegetable you like. If you decided to use same as me, I will change the word to we. Alright, we are going to slice the salad. It's very healthy dish, you know. Then we will place it on the plate. For the cilantro, I just select the leaf like this. Now we are going to make the final dish. We will place our meat on top of the salad. It looks very juicy and tender. Well, I think it's enough. After we put the pork meat on top of the salad, we will drizzle some sauce on top of it like this. Wow, it's so green, but it's so good too. Yay! It's time to try. First, I really want to tell you, it smells so good. It smells so Thai. And the taste is so Thai too. Let's try. Should try the meat first because it's the main ingredient, right? It's so tender and juicy. Wow, it's really good for appetizer. Alright, now let's try with salad. This time I will try to have everything. Cilantro, carrot, oh no, some cucumber, some chili, yes, all in one bite. Oh, so delicious. The pork meat is so juicy and so tender, especially when you bite on the fat. Wow, that's the epic. I love it. The dressing, oh my god, it's perfect. Like spicy, sour, salty, sweet. Oh, yeah, so good. Especially the fresh vegetables. You have to try, for real. I give 10/10/10 to this recipe. It's so tasty, so Thai taste. I like it. It's so fresh. It wakes me up, you know. It's a bit spicy, but why not? It's Thai food, so it has to be a little bit spicy. You guys have to try it. It's so yummy, tasty, so Thai. Thumbs up. As always, if you like this recipe, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell to receive a notification when I add a new recipe every Monday. Share this video to your friends, leave me a comment, and shop that like button. Thank you for watching. See you next Monday. ขอบคุณค่ะ บ๊ายบาย